So to start off the day, I had 3 eggs, and I actually used 2 eggs and 1 egg white, and then I just mixed that together, scrambled them up, and then I added salt and pepper, a lot of pepper, and I also added some tapatio because I wanted that hot kick to it. It wasn't that hot, but you know what I mean. So anyways, I just placed that in a pan and flipped it over once and added 1 slice of turkey and some fat-free shredded cheese and pepper again, folded it over and topped it off with some salsa. And that's what I got in the morning. It was super delicious. Highly recommend you guys try this out. And it was so easy. So then moving on to a snack, I just had popcorn and mini chocolate chips in there. I like to have my snacks prepared beforehand. So that was one of my little goodie bags for myself. So for lunch, I had leftovers. This is actually a crock pot chicken avocado and lime soup that I found on Pinterest. So I have that listed below under my Weight Watcher favorite section on Pinterest in case you guys are curious. But the only thing I counted for this was just the avocado. So yeah, it was actually really good, and the leftovers actually tasted better. Does that always happen? So I wanted to use these mini phyllo shells for myself, but my kids saw me take them out, and I just made them a little snack. So I thought I would just share that with you. I just put yogurt and sugar-free Jello, and yeah, they liked them. Pretty simple. But anyways, for me, I had probably about a 1/4 cup of cream cheese left over, and I just mixed that with some fat-free cheddar cheese and some jalapenos and pepper. And I just filled up the phyllo shells and then put them in my air fryer that I love so much. I'll have a link down below for the air fryer as well. And I topped them off with some hot chili sauce from Wendy's, which was 0 point sauce. And yeah, that was a snack, appetizer, whatever you want to call it, but it was super good. So for dinner, I was full off the shells. The phyllo shells. So I just decided to make a huge salad for my daughter and I. We both love salad, and we actually shared out of the bowl. So all it is just tomatoes, carrots, lettuce, and peppers with lemon. I almost said lime. With lemon, no dressing. And then I placed on the side, I don't know if you guys saw that, but 2 little things of lettuce, and just pretty much made a sandwich minus the bread. And yeah, it looks kind of sad, I know, but it was delicious. So that was my dinner. And then it was pretty late, so I ended up just having a banana for before bed. And yeah, that was it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my what I ate today video, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.